Hi guys, welcome back. Princess here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, don't forget to follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below, and to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and leave your comments as well. So guys, for today's video, I decided to recreate my birthday makeup look, which I had in my previous video for today's video. And I also decided to respond to your assumptions about me. About 2 weeks ago, I asked you guys on my social media platforms to send in your assumptions, what you think about me, the first time you met me, the first impression I gave you, to just send it to me. And some of you did, some of you didn't. But for those who did, I just responded to those assumptions in this video. So without further ado guys, let's just get right into this video. So I'll be starting with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Then I'll use my American foundation and blend. Guys, as you must have noticed, I'm deviating from my normal makeup routine. The reason I'm starting with my face makeup before my eye makeup is because I have realized that doing it this way is a little faster than starting with the eye before the face. I don't know why, but I have just realized that. I light my face with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I will just go ahead and start responding to your assumptions now. Then I'll set my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'll start drawing my brows now while my face is setting. Then I'll just start with my brow liner. I'll clean up my brows using my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'll prime my eyelids with my LA Girl primer in the LA Girl eyeshadow primer. I will be starting with this shade for my underbrows. Then I'll go with this. So guys, the main thing that the people that replied, not everybody though, but a lot of people who replied my assumption questions, they were basically saying almost the same thing. A lot of you said I was, or you guys thought I was a snob, or I was standoffish when you first met me or when you first saw me. I'm just blending it out. Next, I'll be going with this shade. So for the people that thought I was a snob or standoffish, a lot of them changed their minds and said when they got to know me better, or when they actually, because when they said they saw me as a snob, they saw me from afar as a snob. When they got to know me, they realized that I wasn't really a snob. I was just maybe reserved, and I don't know, they realized according to them, they said when they got to know me better, they realized I was a nice person, kind, friendly, and all that. I'll just go ahead and blend this shade in. I'll go back and cut my crease with this concealer from LA Girl. Then I'll be going with this shade. So guys, I just want to ask a question to all the people, or to you guys generally, especially those people that thought I was a snob or standoffish. Do you guys just walk into a room, like you don't really know anybody in the room, or maybe the people you know, they are just maybe a hello, hi basis, like you just see them and be like, oh hi, you don't really, I don't know. You can't just walk into a room for the first time and then you just meet somebody, walk up to somebody and then strike up a conversation and just be like, oh, how are you, and all that and all that. I know some people are like that. Yeah, some people are like that. They can just get into your room, see everybody, and just walk up to anybody and strike up a conversation. But basically, I'm not that kind of person to just walk into a room and strike up a conversation with anybody. Guys, don't get me wrong, if you do that, it's not a bad thing, it's actually a good thing. It means you're very friendly. But me, I don't know, I don't think I'm wired that way. I can't just walk into a room and see somebody and just strike up a conversation with the person. I'm just blending these outer corners. Next, I'll be going with the yellow shade. Guys, if you're that kind of person that just can strike up a conversation anywhere, anytime, it's a good thing, trust me. Because me, I'm not that kind of a person. If you don't walk up to me and strike up a conversation, I'll just see you and be like, hi. Then I'll be drawing my eyeliner with my NYX gel liner. So guys, another reason why I think a lot of you must have said that is because maybe you may have gotten me at the wrong time. Because I don't know, if I'm sleepy, hungry, tired, or angry, I just normally I'm an all smiles person. I'm always smiling, but when I'm any of those four, any moment I'm sleepy, tired, hungry, especially hungry, or annoyed, I just keep a straight face. So maybe you must have been used to seeing me smiling, and then all of a sudden you see me with my straight face, be like, this one, she does not have anybody's time. Actually, I do. If you stop me and talk to me, or maybe I don't know. I really don't know why you guys must have thought that though. In my Maybelline mascara, I'll just go ahead and dust off all this powder. So guys, another thing that topped the list on your replies was that someone said I am quiet. In fact, some people said I was quiet, but someone maintained that I am still quiet, while another person said that he was deceived. He thought I was quiet, but I am not quiet. I'll just contour my face using my Elegant concealer in the shade Espresso. Actually guys, my reply to that is it depends. If you get to know me, you realize that I talk a lot. If we are friends, I talk a lot. I'll just keep talking to you like when we are friends. But if we just see each other from afar and say hello, hi, you see me as a very quiet person. Because like I said earlier, I don't walk up to people. I walk up to a room and see people and I just strike up a conversation with people. So if you see me in that situation, you see me as a quiet person. But if you see me out like with my friends, in a group of my friends and people I'm very comfortable with, I'm not quiet. I talk a lot. And people also say that I'm a talkative. Well, those replies came from my close friends, so you guys already know. Then guys, someone said I'm a storyteller. I tell a lot of stories. Actually, that is true to some extent because like I said earlier, I talk a lot when I'm with my close friends. So maybe in the process of talking, I just tell stories of past experiences and all that. So guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just blending my concealer. So I'll just go ahead and contour my face with my contour powder from Mary Kay. I'm just blending. So again guys, someone said I was a pastor, or they thought I was a pastor's daughter. So basically guys, the person is not wrong. I mean, I'm a child of God, so guys, I'll just go ahead and apply mascara to my lower lashes. I'll be applying this shade as a blush. Spray my setting spray from Essence. Now I'm using this shade to highlight my face. My lip liner. With my lipstick from Wet n Wild. Then I'll go ahead and gloss my lips. So basically guys, that's what most of your comments said. That I was quiet, I was a snob, I was talkative, and I'm a storyteller. That's basically what all the comments said, because a lot of people are saying the same thing. You guys also said some people said I was caring, I was nice, and I guess that's your opinion. I'll just use my brush to blend it in. So guys, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. And with that guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.